In the quiet light of dusk I breathe, fading thoughts drift easy on the breeze. Every color soft, each moment slow. Rest your weary heart, let your spirit flow. In the stillness of this room, whispers of a simpler tune, floating clouds in evening light, draw me closer through the night. Hold me in this mellow moment, let the world drift far away. Feel the calm beneath the quiet, in the hush where hearts can stay. Morning light through the window pane, a quiet breath to start the day. Drifting thoughts in a gentle haze, floating on this mellow background, where time moves slow and hearts unwind. In the stillness, peace is found. Softly here we ease our mind. Whispers of the wind along the shore, echoes fading on open air, holding space for something more. Floating on this mellow background, where time moves slow and hearts unwind. In the stillness, peace is found. Softly here we ease our mind.